I was searching for something. Something that would make it easy for me to capture high quality footage in everyday situations. I didn't want to carry around heavy and bulky gear anymore. No complicated setups. And definitely no extra bags and backpacks filled with equipment. So I needed to find a solution. I consciously decided to switch to more compact gear to stay as flexible as possible. But it still had to meet a certain standard because I have high expectations when it comes to the quality of my videos. That search eventually led me to an APS-C camera, but this video isn't about that. My tool of choice for cinematic aerial footage is the DJI Air 3S. It sits somewhere in the mid-range category, but it's capable of producing incredibly cinematic shots. Mainly because of few features that generally make a difference in real-world use. And that's exactly what we are going to talk about in this video. Because you really don't need the most expensive high-end gear to create amazing videos. Most of my favorite shots happened right away and completely unplanned. I was able to shoot them not because I had the perfect setup. No, because I actually had my camera and my drone with me. High-end gear is no problem, but the problem is when you don't carry it with you. Over the years I realized something that completely changed the way I think about gear. Like many creators, I used to believe that better equipment would automatically lead to better videos. So whenever a new camera, lens or gadget came out, I found myself thinking, maybe this is what I need to take my work to the next level. And while good equipment can also make a difference, there is one problem that often gets overlooked. The more gear you own, the more gear you feel like bringing. Suddenly you carry a larger backpack, more batteries, more accessories, more things to think about. And before you realize it, something that should feel creative starts feeling like work. I spent lots of time outdoors, hiking through the mountains, exploring new places, going on road trips or simply taking a walk with my camera. And I've noticed that the moments I remember most are rarely planned. It's the unexpected light during sunset, the fog in a valley, a landscape that suddenly looks incredible from a different perspective. Those moments don't wait for you, they happen fast. The best camera or drone isn't necessarily the most expensive one. It's the one that's there when the moment happens. A lot of creators wait for the perfect setup, but the truth is, simplicity creates consistency. If your gear is easy to carry, quick to deploy and enjoyable to use, you will naturally create more. You capture more moments. The biggest drone isn't necessarily the best drone for everyone. It really comes down to how you create and what you need your gear to do. For me, the goal was simple. I wanted to stay lightweight, remain flexible and be able to capture content whenever I feel it. Whether I'm hiking through the mountains, filming along the coast or traveling somewhere new, I need gear that works with me, not against me. And that's exactly why I chose the DJI Air 3S. There are 5 key reasons why it fits my workflow so well. For me, it comes down to finding the right balance. I wasn't looking for the smallest drone on the market and I wasn't looking for the most expensive one. I wanted something portable, reliable and capable of producing high quality footage wherever I go. The first thing I appreciate is its size. It's compact enough that I can easily throw it into my backpack and take it with me on hikes, road trips or everyday adventures. And that's important because the easier your gear is to carry, the more likely you actually use it. The second reason is the dual camera system. Having both a wide-angle lens and a tele lens gives me much more creative flexibility. The wide lens is great for capturing large landscapes, while the tele lens creates a completely different look by making subjects stand out more and bringing distant elements together. It's not just zooming, it's another way of telling a story. The reason for this is simple, but its impact is huge. I'm gonna tell you later why, but let's have a look at the other advantages first. I also shoot all of my footage in the D-Log M color profile. Combined with 10-bit color gives me much more flexibility when color grading, and it allows me to create the look that I want. Another reason I trust this drone is its stability. I often film near the coast, where windy conditions are common, and having a drone that feels stable in the air makes a huge difference. And finally, image quality. A lot of my favorite shots happen during sunrise, sunset or blue hour. Thanks to the larger sensor, the Air 3S performs really well in these situations and allows me to keep filming even when the light starts fading. None of these features alone would be enough, but together they create a drone that's easy to bring, easy to fly and capable of producing cinematic footage almost anywhere. And for me, that's exactly what makes it such a great all-rounder. But now let's take a closer look at my favorite feature, the dual camera system. One really cool thing about it is that you can zoom. Crazy, right? Okay, jokes aside, but the zoom lens is actually one of the reasons why I chose the Air 3S. Personally, I don't need a 5x or 10x zoom, but the 3x tele lens gives me the ability to capture subjects without having to fly too close to them. That's especially useful when you're filming concerts or events where you simply need to keep a safe distance from people. Instead of flying closer, I can stay further away and still capture detailed shots. And that's already a huge advantage. But honestly, that's not even the main reason why I love this tele lens so much. The real magic comes from the way it changed the look of your footage. The wide-angle lens is great for showing scale and capturing an entire scene. But the tele lens creates a completely different feeling. It compresses the background, makes distant mountains appear larger and separates a subject from its surroundings. In other words, it gives you a second visual language. The exact same location can suddenly feel completely different depending on which lens you are using. And that's what makes the dual camera system so powerful. You're not just getting a second camera, you're getting a second way to tell a story. Looking at all these features, it would be easy to think that this video is only about drones. But honestly, it's not. What I've learned over the years is that creating great videos has very little to do with owning the most expensive equipment. Sure, good gear can help, but gear alone doesn't create anything. The real challenge is putting yourself in situations where you can actually capture something meaningful. And that's exactly where many creators stuck. We spend hours researching cameras, lenses and accessories. We compare specs, we watch reviews. We convince ourselves that we are just one purchase away from creating better content. But in reality, most of our growth happens outside. It happens when we're exploring new places, trying new things, experimenting, making mistakes and simply pressing the record button. Some of my favorite shots were never planned. They happened because I was already out there with my gear. Not because I had the perfect setup, but because I was prepared when the opportunity appeared. That's why I value portability and flexibility so much. They make it easier to create. And the easier it is to create, the more often you actually do it. Because at the end of the day, the goal isn't to own the biggest camera, the most expensive drone or the most impressive setup. The goal is to tell stories, to capture experiences and to preserve moments that would otherwise be gone forever. And for that, consistency will always matter more than perfection. The best gear isn't the gear with the longest spec sheet. It's the gear that inspires you to go outside and create. So, bringing all of this together, my advice would be simple. Figure out what you actually need before you buy your gear. Think about the type of content you create, the places you go, and the situations you want to capture. Then choose the tools that support that workflow. Because at the end of the day, the most important thing is that your gear fits your needs. You don't need the biggest drone to capture cinematic footage. You don't need a cinema camera to create beautiful colors. And you definitely do not need the most expensive setup to tell great stories. But you do need a gear that makes you want to go outside and create. Because the best moments are usually the unplanned ones. And if you're ready when those moments happen, that's when the magic starts. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to don't miss out any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.
Thank you.